Pitman Shorthand Exercise 38 BTD Start. The language of the young barrister in the case was most stately, and it must have influenced both judge and jury. It almost looked as if the case was lost at the first because of the calm way in which the opposing counsel set out to state the facts for his side, but the young barrister faced the test fairly, and his language and style, though different, showed him to be a master of law and logic. We shall watch his career at the bar, and we think he must succeed because of his abilities. Stop.